Hi, this is Larry from Your Motor Cars in Germantown, Maryland. Today, we're going to demonstrate to you the self-parking feature in the new 2021 E-Class Mercedes-Benz. First, we're going to engage the parking feature, which is in your center console. Once you're engaged, your screen will show you to drive forward, which means you're going to put the car into drive using the lever. Now we're going to drive forward. Today we're going to use the perpendicular parking feature of the parking. You drive slowly, and what we're looking for here is a symbol showing that it will fit in the space. So it is showing that it will perpendicular park, and it says we have to engage the feature by pressing on our brand new steering wheel for 2021, which has our cursor, which is like our mouse. We'll press OK, confirming that we want to, and as you see, we could do a forward or reverse park. We're going to choose the reverse park, which we'll press OK again. Now it's asking us here to engage the reverse gear. Once we do this, it is going to be autonomously parking the car. That means the steering wheel, the gear shift, and also gas and brake are going to be operated by the computer. It also turns on your turn signal to tell whoever's behind you that you'll be parking in this space. Now, there is your grid showing you that the steering wheel's turning. The reds together show that it's going to stop the car. It even shifts into gear for you automatically. The cameras can see not only cars, but also lines. So it can even detect the one in behind the car and shows it to stop in this space, even though there's another space behind it. We will be coming to you with other videos in the future. Look for them on our website and also in YouTube channels. We want to make sure that your experience here at Your Motor Cars is the best experience you can have. Have a great day and drive safely.